Could Roof Maxx make an asphalt roof last forever?
You know, forever is a long time. I think if we start treating as soon as the granules come off, I think we can get 4 treatments, maybe 5 treatments, but that's beyond most people's, you know, scope anyway. People
Yeah,
aren't in a home
most
that
people aren't
long.
worried about their roof until it's gone further than that, I'd say.
Yeah, I mean, we have plenty of customers that know that their roof doesn't need replaced tomorrow, or even in the next few years, and they're being proactive and just doing maintenance so that they can have the roof that's on their home is stronger and they're going to get more life out of it. So there's definitely that happening. We've not been around long enough to educate the market to say, hey, start treating that roof as soon as the granules off. Of course, we're educating them here, but you know, roof rejuvenation is a new thing. We're still educating the market, but at some point, I believe that people will, it'll just be part of their process, right?
Yeah.
At year 10 or so, you're going to start rejuvenating. And just like you stain your deck or you paint your fence at a certain amount of time,
Yeah.
it just makes sense. It's more cost effective, and it certainly protects the home better.
That's great. That's great.